With the new Clockface update, now you're able to make your lock screen and always on display look like this. To have a setup like this, all you need is the new Clockface module, and link will be down in the description if you haven't received the update yet. On the lock screen, you now have plenty clock faces to choose from. Same applies with the always on display. Tap to select any clock face of your choice by pressing this button. This will be your lock screen, clock face. For further customization, you can press the edit button on the clock face to change the color, fonts, and elements like the date, text, images, and GIFs. To delete any of the elements, just tap the element icon and press the delete icon. Now I've deleted all the elements except the digital clock because I want to use it for customizing. Pick any style, time format, and time type of your choosing from the clock. As for the colors, you can pick from adaptive color to those which are in the color palette. Tap here to add other elements. Then select date and pick any style, date type, and line setting, and then reposition the date to anywhere within the space. You can change the size by pinching in or pinching out. To add the text, select the text element and then type anything that you want to display on your lock screen right in the space provided. Tap here to broaden the font and pinch in or pinch out to change the size. The customization idea is the same as that of the date. Now for the image, select the image element. To select an image, tap the gallery icon and pick any image and then position it wherever you want. But for a nice icon picture like the one I have, you can use an application called Circle Profile Picture. You can make a circle, a square or a square using the application. It's free and the link will be down in the description. Well, on the always on display, this is when things get more interesting. Well, you can do this for both always on display and the lock screen, but it's just more satisfying on the always on display. To set this up, pick this clock face and then delete all elements except the analog clock.